for Electrolux Group. If I have to summarize in very quick, it's like I'm an Indian guy who works for a Swedish company in Germany. In the university itself, I was introduced to plant simulation. Plant simulation is being used, at the beginning it was used as a part of the process or investigation, but later now it has become like a checkpoint meeting. It is a step-by-step process in the project management that any changes in the factory or in the logistical area that needs to go through the plant simulation, because it has brought us a lot of value in a sense that now it is part of our digital transformation. Almost all of our factories are digitalized. We have a baseline where we can play with. So we have a playground. That is what Siemens provides us. Like if you have the design of the plant, or if you know what you want to produce, then you start making some assumptions. But when you have nothing, you can still use Siemens as a black box, that you just know the basics, and then what's coming in and what's going out is what you define. And later you can start building on top of that. At Electrolux, we are globally only 2 experts in simulation. So I work for refrigerator factories all around. If there is any project related to any of the product line, it comes to us like, hey, let's do the investigation if it makes sense, because doing it in Excel is one thing, but doing it in the simulation is very dynamic. It brings us a lot more perspective and puts things into picture. Because we have been using plant simulation, the good thing is that people know about what this tool is and how does that bring us value. So they come to us and they say like, can you investigate for this? I need a little bit help in this or that. And so going forward in the future, the main idea is that we can scale the users and also the usability of the model. We build the libraries with the plant simulation tool, so that it's very easy. Someone can just write things in Excel and do a little bit in simulation model and then just click, and then you already have the simulation working for you. If I want to look at the factory in North America, I just go online in the Chrome or in the browser. I just look at the factory or what's happening in this process or that process. Now the next step would be that use those numbers as an input to optimize it further ahead. And that's where Siemens comes in and helps us with the different tools that they have in their portfolio. For example, you have the 10 different things that you can change, but how do they help us? Because every parameters that you want to change also cost us money. But maybe out of 10, maybe 2 or 3 are important, which actually brings in the biggest value in the end results. And that's what we did with this plant simulation and investigation. We built the simulation, we identified which parameters are actually increasing the production. And we used the plant simulation specifically to optimize the just newly bought equipment. We improved it by 5 to 7%, which gives us the number about 19,000 to 30,000, depending on which model you want to produce, which is a big number. So it has been very critical in our journey, and it's a must now in this project management process for us.